students. I hope you have.
Hello students, I hope you have watched the previous tutorial carefully. In the last lecture, we discussed the meaning of the malware, the term virus, worms, Trojan horses, the symptoms of virus. Now today we have to study the next topic, how a computer get infected. How does a computer get infected? So बच्चे, there are several ways by which a computer may get infected with viruses, worms or Trojan horses or maybe by any other malware. So let's look at some of the ways by which the virus computer will get infected. The number one is CDs, DVDs or pen drives. That means your computer may get infected by copying the infected files from CDs or DVDs. Internet. Viruses can attach to various types of internet files such as graphics, program files, and that people download from the internet. Email attachments. Email attachment means viruses will travel through the email attachment. They will enter the computer when you download or run any email attachment. The fourth one is computer network. A network is formed when a group of computers are connected to one another to share the information. So, the computers on the network can get infected when an infected file is shared across the network. The next topic is antivirus software. Antivirus softwares are used to protect a computer from all types of malware. An antivirus software can detect viruses, worms, and warns you of their presence in the computer. It can deactivate the malware and clean the computer of different types of malicious softwares. So you must load and install antivirus software in your computer system so that every time the antivirus software can be used to scan the computer system in case if there is any presence of malware. As you know that there are new viruses being created every day, so it is very necessary to update the antivirus systems regularly so that it can handle these threats. There are various types of antivirus softwares such as Norton, McAfee, AVG, Avira, Avast, Bitdefender. Till now, students, we have discussed what is virus, the meaning of virus, and the ways by which the viruses are spreading from one computer to another. As you know that these days computers are widely used for accessing the internet. We make use of CDs, DVDs, and pen drives to share the documents, files, etc. So we need to protect our computer from such virus so that in order to our data should get be protected. So here are some of the precautions that we must follow in order to stay protected and secure the important data. Number one, use original operating system. Update antivirus software on the regular basis. Use an antivirus software. Visit trustworthy websites. Do not download pirated software, songs, movies, etc. Beware of the email attachments from the unknown sources. Scan all the email attachments. Scan files from CDs, DVDs before running on the computer. So this completes our chapter. So once again, In just a summarization, in this chapter we studied about the malwares, that are the softwares which are harmful for the computer. Then we studied its various categories, for example computer virus, worms and Trojan. Then how we can protect our computers from the viruses with the help of the antivirus softwares, and antivirus softwares should be updated regularly so that we can handle all the new types of viruses that are generated every day. Now coming on to the Phillips Bache from page number 127 in your book. Number 1. Any software designed to harm the computer or disturb its normal operation is known as, yes, so this is the malware which will harm the computer or disturbs the operations of the computer. Number 2, a dash can allow other people to remotely control your computer. So which type of malware is there that will allow unauthorized access to the computer? Yes, that is Trojan horse. We can make use of Dash software to detect the presence of the virus. So we studied just now, with the help of antivirus software, we can detect the viruses. A dash can attach itself to files and spread when files are transferred. A virus can attach itself. Very correct. Next is, a dash can spread on its own over a network and reduce the speed of the network. So bache, if you remember, we studied one term, that is worm. So what are worms? Worm is a malware that uses computer networks. So it's a characteristic of the worm that it needs a computer network while spreading on its own. It actually replicates itself. Now the question answers. These question answers you have to be do on the notebook, on the fair notebook. Number 1, define the following term. So under this question, the three parts are given. Number 1, virus. What are virus? Yes, a computer virus is a malware that can spread itself from one computer to another and interferes with the normal operations of the computer. Number 2, worm. We studied right now. A worm is a malware that uses computer network to send copies of itself to other computers on the same network. Third one is Trojan horse. So these are the malwares that allow unauthorized access to the computer that it infects. Next question, how can a computer get infected with virus? So students, so there are several ways by which the computer can be infected with virus. So let's look at some of the ways now. Number 1, CDs, DVDs or pen drives. Number 2, with the help of the internet also the computer is at risk. Number 3, email attachments while transferring the emails. Even then the computer can be infected with virus when you are downloading the email attachments. The fourth one is computer networks. List the steps that can be taken to protect the computer from getting infected by different types of malwares. Now in this question students, we have to tell the precautions or the necessary prevention measures with the help of which we can help our computer in order to stay protected. So number 1, use original operating system. Use antivirus software in order to protect your computer. Update your antivirus softwares on the regular basis. Visit trustworthy websites. Do not download pirated software, songs, movies, etc. Beware of the email attachments from the unknown sources. Scan all email attachments. Scan the necessary files from the CDs and DVDs before storing or running on your computer system. Last question, what is an antivirus software? And also you have to tell some of the examples of the same. So, yes, antivirus softwares are the softwares which will help your computer in order to stay protected from all types of malware. You can write any examples: Norton, Avast, AVG, Avira, K7, McAfee, Bitdefender. So students, that completes our chapter. Now carefully watch the video and revise this chapter, and also submit your notebook on time. Stay well, take care.